In today's Your Healthy Family, I want to let you know UCHealth is launching a second COVID-19 vaccine trial here in Colorado. They're looking to enroll 1,500 people, 18 and older, who are at a higher risk of exposure to COVID-19 and are willing to travel to Loveland to take part in the study.
The ideal candidate is just someone who has intense or frequent exposure to other people so that the risk of getting COVID is fairly high. Secondarily, if they also have medical problems or that make them more prone to illness per se, like high blood pressure or heart attacks, or people who are very obese, then those are people who are more susceptible to being very ill with COVID.
Dr. Gary Luckison is the principal trial investigator for UCHealth on the study and explains how this vaccine is unique.
This one was designed so that it had a monkey or primate adenovirus, which then was deactivated, and so it can't cause any infection in humans. And then they attached a protein which is the same as the protein, or at least similar to the protein that's in the outside of the coronavirus. And so the body, when they get the vaccine, looks at that protein and thinks it's the coronavirus and builds up an immunity.
Other than being willing to take part, here's what being in the study will involve.
The initial screening is a phone call, and that should take you 15 minutes at the most. Then there is a visit here to rescreen and have you look over the consent, which takes a while because we want to make sure you know what you're getting into. And then the actual visit here, you get blood draws, and then you also get a nasal swab similar to what they're doing elsewhere. Once that's done, you get randomized to your vaccine or to a placebo, because 2 out of 3 people will get the vaccine and 1 will get a placebo. So we have something to compare the results to.
In our next story, we'll introduce you to a Colorado woman who's taking part in this study, why she's doing it, and what she hopes it will all lead to. For Your Healthy Family, I'm Ira Cronin. For more health stories, head anytime to yourhealthyfamily.com.